Pusodi Tejane is on the verge of signing for Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns are in advanced talks to sign Pusodi Tejane. And you know how this will end. You already know where this is going. Whenever Sundowns goes all in for a player, they are going to get him. How many times in recent years have we lost out to Mamelodi Sundowns when it comes to signing a player? Teboho Mokoena, Sipho Mbule, Jaden Adams, Junior Mendieta, Bathusi Obas. The list goes on and on. Season in, season out, we are victims. These men are smashing us in the field. They are smashing us in the transfer window. And some of us have been brainwashed into believing that we can't compete against Sundowns financially. We can compete against Sundowns in the market. We can. We are not a small team. That's not an excuse. Yeah, these men just don't want to spend money. Yet season in, season out, game in, game out, week in, week out, the stadiums are packed. The stadiums are packed. The merchandise is selling like crazy. But these men still don't want to spend money on transfers. It's an absolute joke.